Guys, I haven't been feeling well, so I haven't been doing a lot of videos. I'm going to slow down with doing my videos. Try to do my crafting off camera. You know, they cut me off. So instead of allowing them to cut me off before I can finish a craft, and I can only do it like in one take, I decided I'll do it off camera and I'll just show you and explain what I'm doing. So pretty much what I wanted to show you is this. This is a hot sauce bottle. And my mom got me these canning lids. These are the canning snap lids. So she recommended I put them together. So one's at the bottom, one's at the top, glue it to the top, and I can make these flameless candle holders. So this is from the Dollar Tree. One no longer works, and the other one I think I dropped, and that's why it no longer works. So I put a little tea light inside. So you could make these flameless candle holders by just taking a hot sauce bottle, paint it. This is a washable paint, and you can just make these candle holders out of a hot sauce bottle. Another recycle, reuse, repurpose craft. This is a pickle jar. All I did was I took a glue gun and made this design on the front. Then I painted it. Now, I could always paint it with a different type of paint, but I wanted to show you that you can take what you're instantly recycling, go to the Dollar Tree or any dollar store, get something for $1.25 and make something completely different out of it. The other thing I wanted to show you is once you have this type of paint that's washable, you can use it instead of, if you don't have a stamp, you can use it to paint on a stamp. And I'll show you what I did with this back here.